Hello and welcome everyone. আগৰ ভিডিওটোত আমি Salient features খিনি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো আৰু সেই চেপ্টাৰটোৰ এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পৰ্চন হ'ল the sources of the constitution. এই পৰ্চনটোৰ পৰা বহুত কোৱেশ্চন আহা দেখা যায়. So let's see. First, Government of India Act of 1935. ইয়াৰ পৰা কি প্ৰভিজন আমাৰ কনস্টিটিউচনত লোৱা হৈছে সেইকেইটা হ'ল Federal Scheme, Office of the Governor, Judiciary, Public Service Commissions, Emergency Provisions, and Administrative Details. Next, আমাৰ আছে British Constitution. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে Parliamentary Government, Rule of Law, Legislative Procedure, Single Citizenship, Cabinet System, Prerogative Writs, Parliamentary Privileges, and Bicameralism. Then we have US Constitution. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে Fundamental Rights, যাক Bill of Rights বুলি কোৱা হয় ইউএছত, Independence of Judiciary, Judicial Review, Impeachment of the President, Removal of Supreme Court and High Court Judges, and Post of Vice President. Then we have Irish Constitution or the Constitution of Ireland. ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি লৈছো হ'ল Directive Principles of State Policy, Nomination of Members to Rajya Sabha, and Method of Election of the President. Then we have Weimar Constitution of Germany. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে Suspension of Fundamental Rights during Emergency. Then Canadian Constitution. Here we have Federation with a strong center, vesting of residuary powers in the center, appointment of state governors by the center, and advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Then we have Australian Constitution. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে concurrent list, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse, and joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament. Then we have Japanese Constitution. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে অকল এটাই provision, সেইটো হ'ল procedure established by law. Then we have Soviet Constitution or the Constitution of USSR, যাক এতিয়া আমি ৰাছিয়া বুলি জানো. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে fundamental duties and the ideal of justice. কিহৰ justice? Social, economic and political in the preamble. Then we have French Constitution. ইয়াৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে republic and the ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble. Then South African Constitution. Procedure for amendment of the constitution and election of members of Rajya Sabha. So at this we come to the end of this video. এই ভিডিওটো short যদিও this is very important from the exam point of view. ইয়াৰ next ভিডিওটোত আমি এই চেপ্টাৰটোৰ ওপৰত কিছুমান important question discuss কৰিম. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.